Let's warm up. Flee. Flee, fly. Flee, fly, mosquito. Oh, no, no, no more mosquito. Itchy, itchy, scratchy, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my baggie. Hit that big bug down with the bug spray. Psst. Gotcha. Today we are gonna learn a new topic. Last class we learned about adverbs of time. And the next class we will learn new topics. Well, today's class is about prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. That's the topic for today's class. To begin our topic, we have to review our prepositions. The topic for the class is prepositional phrases. So the origin of that starts with prepositions. These are only some examples. There are more prepositions, but I will just want you to remember some of them. Okay? On, the marker is on my head, on. In, the marker is in my shirt, in my shirt. Under, the marker is under my face, under my head. Over, the marker is over my head, over. Okay, so basically a preposition is a word that shows relation between things. This is my head, and the preposition tells me the marker is on my head. On is a word that tells us the relation between the marker and the head. Okay? Now, I need you to pick up your pencil. Oh, I don't have a pencil, but I have a pen. Stand up, pick up your pencil. I'm gonna give you some instructions you have to follow, and I'm gonna use prepositions and see what happens. Okay, place the pencil on your head. Okay, move the pencil around your head. Are you doing this? Good. Write with your pencil. Write your name with your pencil. Put your pencil in the pencil case. Okay, well, if we analyze what I said, put your pencil in the pencil case. We already know the word in is a preposition, but if we give more detail, in what? In the pencil case, that is the prepositional phrase. Okay? I need you to please open your book to page 85. Okay, there it says prepositional phrases are formed with a preposition and a noun or a pronoun. And they give you two examples. Can you read example number 1? Girls? Girls only. Good. Go. The cake with chocolate frosting is mine. We're talking about the cake. The cake, the preposition there is with. Can you please circle with in your book? This one. Circle with in the example number 1. In example number 1. Now, the cake with what? With chocolate frosting. This is a preposition only, but with chocolate frosting is our prepositional phrase. Okay? So this word is preposition, but this group of words is a prepositional phrase, like the title. Okay, boys. Now, boys, can you read number 2, please? Go. We hiked up the steep mountain. Where did you hike? Up. That's the preposition, but what is the prepositional phrase? Up the steep mountain. Okay, you see the difference between a preposition and a prepositional phrase? Good job. Now, for activity number 1, instructions class. Read them. Go. Read the following sentences. Underline the prepositional phrase and write the preposition on the line. Oh, so in your sentences, what do you have to do? It says, underline the prepositional phrase, and there is a blue line in front, and on the line, you need to write the preposition. Isn't that simple? Very simple. Now, for this part, I'm going to help you with the first activity. Number 1, we walked around the castle after dinner. What are you going to circle? Remember, your prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. So number 1 is around what? The castle. The castle. This is your prepositional phrase. And it usually starts with a preposition. So that's the word you're going to write on the line. How's that? Ready? Let's do number 2. Read it, please. There is a large university in Dublin's downtown. What is the preposition there? In. So, where it says in, that's what you'll underline. In Dublin's downtown. Okay? And what is the preposition? In. Thank you. Number 3. I like to play rugby with my friends when I can. Let me tell you, with is the preposition. With. So you underline the prepositional phrase that starts with with. With my friends, excuse me, too long. With my friends. With my friends only. And what is the preposition? With. Write it there. Ready? Number 4. Siobhan lives across the hall from me. So we start at the preposition. In this case, it is across. Across what? Across the hall. So we underline across the hall. And the preposition is across. Write it there. Number 5. Every day I walk over the old bridge. It starts with the preposition. Over what? Over what? Over the old bridge. That is the prepositional phrase. So, what is the preposition? Over. Write it here. Good job. If you need more time to finish this, stop the video. You can re-watch the video if you did not finish. Go ahead, finish this activity and then come back. Good job. Now, class, let's go to activity number 2. Okay, this time the book gives you a sentence and then they give you options for you to choose the one that shows the prepositional phrase in that sentence, okay? The preposition is to, so I'm going to circle it. To. Remember, prepositional phrases start with the preposition. So, I have always wanted to take a visit to what? To where? A visit to Ireland's countryside. To Ireland's countryside. Now, look at the answer in letter A. Is that to Ireland's countryside? No. Letter B. Does it say to Ireland's countryside? Letter C? No. So what is the correct answer? Letter B. For number 2, 3, 4, and 5, I'm not going to show you the sentence and I'm not going to show you my page. I need you to listen to what I'm saying and follow the instructions. This is a listening comprehension activity. Okay? I'm going to help you, but I'm not showing you the answers. Here we go. Number 2, read it. People say you can find leprechauns in the forest. Now, the preposition in number 2 is in. Please circle the word in for number 2. And now, underline the prepositional phrase. If the preposition is in, underline in what? In where? In the forest. Ready? In the forest. Now, in your options A, B or C, you choose the one that says in the forest and circle that answer. Good job. Number 3. Read it, please. Irish immigrants built the old house at the end of the street. I'm going to tell you the preposition and then you find the rest. At. At. So, beginning where it says at, that is the preposition. At what? At the end of the street. Underline at the end of the street. Now, which letter says at the end of the street? Circle that letter because that is the correct prepositional phrase in the sentence. Good job. Number 4. We are going to take a trip to Ireland's famous landmarks. The preposition is to. To. What is the prepositional phrase? To where? To Ireland's famous landmarks. Ireland's famous landmarks. That is your prepositional phrase. Choose the letter that has that prepositional phrase. Good. Now the last one, number 5. People say St. Patrick drove all the snakes away from Ireland. The preposition is away. So, in your sentence, you underline the prepositional phrase. Away from what? Away from Ireland. Away from Ireland. Now, look for the letter that says away from Ireland. Circle. That's your answer. Good job. You did it. Okay, To relax a little, let's do the arustasha. Ready? Thumbs up. You repeat what I say and do what I do. Thumbs up. Arustasha. Thumbs up. Wrist. This is the wrist. Wrist together. Arustasha. Thumbs up. Wrists together. Knees together. You don't see my knees, but I put them together. Arustasha. Thumbs up. Wrists together. Knees together. Toes together. Arustasha. Thumbs up. Wrists together. Knees together. Toes together. Bottom up. Arustasha. That kind of help us get relaxed a little bit. Okay, class, now it is time for you and I to go to page number 86. Go. Next page. 86. Good job. Now, it is again about prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. Instructions for activity 1, please. Write a sentence with the prepositional phrases listed. Look at the example. And then they are showing you possible answers. I'm just going to help you understand instructions, and then you're going to have to do it on your own, by yourself. You finish by yourself. Okay? Here we go. The book gives you a prepositional phrase. This is a preposition, but all together makes a prepositional phrase. Okay, the book's giving you this prepositional phrase, and you have to use it in a complete sentence. Remember, complete sentences have subject and predicate, always. Subject and predicate. Now, here we go. What is the subject? We. What is the predicate? Went to 5 different towns during my trip. I said towns, but it's towns. Okay? And then in this case, they put during my trip right here. During my trip. They are using the prepositional phrase in a sentence. Can you do that? Just make sure you start with a subject and then you add a predicate. Okay, class, for this part, I need you to stop the video and write your answers. One more thing. What happens if you don't understand one word and you come across a word that you say, I don't know that? Google it. Investigate it. Okay? But you have to finish this. All right, stop the video. Write your complete sentences and then come back. You did it? Wow, good job. Now, for excuse me, for the last part, it is partner work. But I'm sorry, we are at home and you don't have a partner there. But what you're going to do there is just check your book on pages 85 and 86 and copy 5 prepositional phrases. Not prepositions, prepositional phrases. Okay? Copy from pages 85 and 86 5 prepositional phrases there. All right. So if you have to stop the video, do it. Excellent job. I'm so proud of you. And I'm gonna tell you why. Every time I check your word, I see you follow instructions. I can see you are really thinking and analyzing your sentences. I can see you're trying to put things together. The things we are learning, you're using them when you write in English. Okay, class. Bye bye, class. I'll see you next time. Have a nice weekend.